this is Matt from drawingtutorialsonline.com. We have a new sketchbook. Finally, it's been months. We have some people on deck, maybe some people on deck, but we're gonna start here with Ren, and Ren is from China.
Hi.
How are you, Ren?
I'm fine.
What's the town in China?
Sorry?
What town do you live in China?
Oh, I live in Jinan.
All right, I know that place. I know that place. All right, let's get started flipping through your sketchbook. Ren is an amazing talent, and I think that you guys, actually, this is going to be the first sketchbook video that I use my glasses for because I'm becoming an old man, and I really want to look at your work too. All right, so Ren, what are you drawing in? What pencil?
Just normal pencil or color pencil.
Okay, so maybe one of the color erase pencils?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is drawn out of your imagination?
Yes.
Beautiful. What's your dream job gonna be?
I wish I could do character design in studio.
Character design, okay. And how long does a page like this take you?
Well, 5 minutes to 30 minutes.
5 minutes to 30 minutes, okay, gotcha. Little bit of homework. We can flip through that. That's the boring stuff that the teacher gives you, right? Absolutely. And then all of this stuff just out of your imagination.
Yeah.
Nice.
But this is a picture.
Okay. Okay, now you're going to turn your sketchbook for us. Very interesting. Now what I really, Ren is super talented, and I really want you to see the growth towards the end of this sketchbook. Gets pretty, hold on, those are really wonderful line to those characters' faces down over there. Really nice work. Ren just starts to kick some serious butt as the sketchbook progresses. You did a good job on that homework assignment. I really appreciate it. Good, good, good. Nice. So are you looking at photographs when you draw these?
Yes.
Okay. Wonderful job. And then this was from the 60-minute figure course. I love the attention to detail. Is this for a character design for a film, or are you just playing around?
I guess playing around.
Okay. Gorgeous. That bird looks like a human being. Oh my God, that is so funny. I've seen that person on the street.
That's actually an emoji in China.
Nice. Perspective. Okay, just messing around after the, oh, that was the perspective homework. There you go. 1.2 point. Now, I was looking at that rifle as I was looking through your, and that is one long scope on that rifle. Pretty cool. So that's what you really like to do, that character design, like what we just saw on the previous page, correct?
Yeah.
Now, this page is really precious. I love your line. I love the flowers on that character design's hair. And then you come down over here, and I love how you're turning the character into wood texture. Beautiful. I love that. Really pretty. Now, this was the field trip to the Met, and just some showing off some of your life drawing skills. That was a fun statue, huh?
Yeah.
And there's God's gift to the world. I forgot his name. Hercules. African wing. Cool. Did you like drawing in the African wing?
Yeah, they're pretty funny.
Yeah, very cool. Different lines. European sculpture court. What was your favorite room?
I guess European. The station is beautiful.
Yeah. That was your first time at the Met?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty cool, huh? I love the volume lines. Good job. And the arms and armor room, very fun. So it kind of has like a cartoony feel, almost. Temple of Dendor, nice job with the perspective. Now, this is another just awesome page. I just really, what made you draw all of this food?
I was in story page class and it's nearly noon and I was hungry, so.
I'm telling you, this is one of the best pages in your sketchbook. It's that fish down over there next to that pizza, and the pizza even has like some kind of ranch dressing on it, so it's out of control. Practicing fabric. Beautiful. Just really nice line. Nice work. Out of your imagination?
Yeah.
Inspired from the museum a little bit?
Yes.
Oh, and this was that assignment where we are drawing somebody else's rough animation. Did you like that?
Yeah. It was awesome.
Good. Very different than the model, huh? Why were you drawing the silhouettes? They look really interesting of the crow.
The what?
The black shapes, the silhouettes?
Oh, because I was designing a character to do with Raven, so.
Oh, I see. Beautiful line work, wonderful characters. Good job. I like the posture on that person. Is the life drawing helping you with the postures?
Yeah, absolutely.
Good. Inspired from the Met. Did you go to the Egyptian way?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Torso peanut shape on a horse. Love it. And then this looks like some kind of science experiment. Great characters. Another wonderful page. Like you're putting these lines down, and they're so very simple, and they're showing the viewer so much information. I'm really digging those simple designs that you do. That's precious. Awesome. Hold on now. Out of your imagination.
Yes.
How long did it take you?
I guess 15 minutes each.
And regular pencil?
Yeah.
Good. Wonderful. Good. Oh, that's funny. Is that for a project?
No, that's Harry Potter.
When did you, are you drawing the animals from photos
Yes.
online?
Yeah.
Oh, and this was an assignment we were doing today in class where we had to draw classmates with characters in a character design, and that is just a precious page. Excellent. Good. All right. Ren, thank you so much for sharing. I really appreciate it. Thanks, everyone. Short and sweet. I got my glasses on. Talk to you soon. All right. Thank you so much for watching Ren's sketchbook. She really is a great student to have in class. Her improvement in the life drawing department has been unbelievable this semester. If you're looking for some extra help with your artwork, we have drawingtutorialsonline.com. I'm going to log into my own website here, and these are all of our courses. We have a begin here step-by-step course, recommended reading, 60-minute figure drawing, how to draw the figure from life, how to draw the figure from your memory, anatomy. If you're into doing long duration drawings, we have that, how to draw hands, how to draw feet, cast drawing, the clothed figure, and we even have a new course on gesture drawing. We do have a lot to offer here at DTO, and the list goes on and on. We've got masterclass courses, perspective, composition. If you're into learning with courses and a critique, We also offer that so you can go through our courses, you can follow through with our lessons, try your hand at some of the lessons, and then upload your drawings here to our member-only critique gallery. And every single Monday, I do a video critique of member artwork, and we post it here on our member blog. Not only do we post about 3 hours each week of video critiques that you can come to the website and download and watch at your leisure. Definitely, you can find your name down over here, but we also offer up a podcast where we answer your questions, and it's not just like a quick sentence or a response to a comment. We really get into depth on some of your questions, and you can see over here, in this particular podcast, I'm answering the question on how to paint with oil paint without it being toxic. So there's a lot that we can offer you here at drawingtutorialsonline.com. I don't want to go on any longer. I know time is precious for you, so thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to posting the next sketchbook video for you. Talk to you soon.